Gosh, good morning everybody. It is about 8:15 in the morning and I just went to the grocery store. I just got off work at about 6:30 this morning. First off, I have to apologize to you for I haven't been able to vlog or do any recipes or anything that I wanted to do for Thanksgiving. I got sick and it hit me hard. It hit me hard. I thought I was getting better and then it just started changing and my cough started changing. I think that I went into pneumonia, and luckily yesterday was the first day that I started feeling a little bit better and that I'm not hacking my brains out and struggling to breathe. So but it's been like a 2-week process. I was in and out of just not feeling good, but then it just really got bad, super bad, and but I'm still wheezing a little tune, but I'm feeling much better. So my cats are over there fighting. I just got home from the grocery store. I have worked my hind end off this weekend, but I wanted to cook something today, something nice and delicious, and I decided to make pepper steak. That's what I want to make today, is pepper steak. Look at this. I stopped at McDonald's today. Yes, I did. Say something. But no, seriously guys, I stopped at McDonald's because it's so cold here. It feels like... What are you guys chewing on over there? Mama is tired and I don't... My cats are playing. It's like a flippin' zoo here. But it is like bone chilling cold here. It feels like the middle of January. It's awful, and I wanted something hot. And I got their hot chocolate. I swear to you, I've never had their hot chocolate before. If you've not gotten McDonald's hot chocolate, you need to get it. It's delicious. So, and this is not a sponsored video. I wish it was. McDonald's, if you'd like to sponsor me, because I do, you know, frequent your restaurant for breakfast. But anyway, it is delicious. You really should try it. But I also got just a few things. I'm not really going to do like a grocery haul, but my husband has to have his Pepsi Zero. That's what we drink here, Pepsi Zero. It's really good. We really like it. Sorry, I still got my scrubs on, but I needed some Dawn dishwashing liquid. That's the only kind of dishwashing liquid that I buy. I'm just really going to quickly go through this. Olivia's been wanting some granola bars, so I got her some granola bars. And I got some petite diced tomatoes. You know I like them because I am making a pepper steak today. That's what I wanted to make, something quick and easy. And delicious. And I'm going to put my pepper steak over... well, hell, I guess I gotta eat cauliflower rice too, because that's all I bought. I don't even think I have any regular rice. I'll have to see. Darn, I didn't want to eat healthy today. Well, I'm not eating healthy. I got me pancakes with that hot chocolate, so there. Now I don't feel as bad. I also got some chicken salad and some ham salad. I love deli chicken salad, not the ones with the grapes in them and the walnuts. That's disgusting. But regular chicken salad. Daisy, what are you chewing on? And then I got my hubby some ham salad. And let me tell you what, when you don't see your husband for a while, I'm not seeing him for like 3 days. I come in this morning because we kind of crossed paths for about 4 minutes before he leaves for work. And he's got this roughage going on here, you know, where he hasn't shaved. It's like maybe a 2 or 3 day beard, whatever. Oh my God. I was just like, damn, check you out. Oh my God, he looks so flippin' hot. I'm telling you what. I don't know what it is, but you got the hormones flowing, you know what I'm saying? But I miss him. I'm home with him tonight, so... And I'm super excited about that. Super happy to be here with him tonight. And Olivia and my kitties and all that. But I wanted to make pepper steak today. And I wanted to do something really good. So I bought... if you knock my little tree over, I'm going to kick your butt. I bought some... I'm going to make it with filet mignon. Because I wanted to do something super for him today. I guess because he looks so good. I don't know. But Olivia didn't want pepper steak. I wish you could see my kittens, my cats playing. So she wanted a steak and baked potato and a salad. Like, you know what? They never eat the same thing, but I don't mind. They're hilarious. They're funny. I got her some Flamin' Hots and some Doritos. Her favorite is the ranch. She likes the snacky, you know. Got me some coffee to go in my Keurig. And I got my husband some, because he works outside. And these are really good. I don't know if you've tried them or not, but these are the Campbell's Chicken and Star Soup. You know, just pop it in the microwave and just like that. And it's good. And it warms, you know, warms you from the inside out. It's winter time, kids. Gotta stay warm. And I got some eggs. And of course, you know, I was trying to pack everything in at once. My dog's plate. I was trying to pack everything in at once because it's so cold. And of course I dropped them. Oh my, only one of them broke. I am so happy about that. Look, just one broke. It said large eggs. These ain't large eggs. I guess they would be considered large eggs if they come out of a pissant. I don't know. Grade A large eggs. Right. Ooh, it's leaking. And she wanted some juice boxes, so I got her some Hi-C juice boxes. And I got the husband some almond milk. He loves the unsweetened almond milk. And I got a couple of chicken pot pies. Yes, even I like chicken pot pies. I love to take these things to work and have them. Ah, they're so good. I like them. I mean, when you're looking for something hot in a hurry, and you don't have your sexy husband with a 3-day beard going on, you gotta settle for a chicken pot pie. You know what I'm saying? Put this in the freezer. Look, they complain because there's nothing to eat. Oh my gosh. But honestly, you can't get anything else in that freezer. Not even if you had to. Alright, so I'm going to show you what I got. I'd much rather had like a, what are their breakfast sandwiches? Like, I don't know, whatever they have. What is it that they have? What is McDonald's breakfast sandwiches? You know, a biscuit, sausage biscuit and egg. I'd much rather have one of those, but I have to go to bed as soon as I eat. And I can't have those because I get severe heartburn. And I want to be able to sleep. So, I'm having... Leave her alone. Stop it. I'm having cold pancakes. That's what I'm having. They're not too cold. I'm not even heating them up. I am wore out. But anyway, I hope you guys had a amazing Thanksgiving. You're going to get in trouble in a minute. Don't chase her. I probably should heat those up. I'm going to get a big chunk of butter in my mouth. Put that on there. Ooh, look at that. That's alright though. I like big chunks of butter. Sometimes I feel like a big chunk of butter. But I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving. We certainly did. They're not homemade, but damn. That's some sweet syrup. Choked to death. We had a really good one. I'll be higher than a kite. Eating pancakes and syrup with hot chocolate. I ain't gonna be able to sleep after that, am I? But we had a really good Thanksgiving. Gosh, I fixed so much. I fixed turkey and ham both. I fixed 3 big pans. Daisy May. Trying to shovel this in. Not because I'm starved, just because I want to hurry up and go to bed. I fixed 3 big pans of stuffing, dressing. I also made mashed potatoes. I made sweet potatoes, mashed potatoes, au gratin potatoes, corn, peas, my mother made a green bean casserole, but she didn't end up coming over. She ended up going to my sister's. So, that's a little disappointing, but that green bean casserole was off the hook. It was delicious. Probably the best one she's ever made. What else? I made a homemade chocolate cake with buttercream icing. And that recipe's on here. You guys need to make that. And you know what? That was one of the first recipes that I done on this channel, on recipe videos. And the thumbnail was not good at all. And I meant to take another thumbnail when I made my cake the other day. A better one. Because, I mean, it's just not a good thumbnail. If you look at a cake and it doesn't look good, you're not going to want to make it. But I'm telling you what, this cake is like... It is the best chocolate cake that you will ever put in your mouth. I mean, it is amazing. It's, you know how you bite into a cake that looks so good. It's like you're so disappointed. This cake is off the chain and you need to make it. The recipe's already on here, so go make it. Go make it today, right now. I'm not kidding. But they fight over it. That's what I'm famous for, my chocolate cakes. They're so good. So easy. I made a chocolate cake. My sister made. What'd she make? A couple pumpkin logs, pumpkin rolls, whatever. And my niece made some homemade pumpkin pies. I have no idea what's going on in there. I hear a bunch of banging around. Roscoe, Daisy, what are you doing? Probably something you're not supposed to be doing. Now you're pissing me off. Go. You ain't getting a bite. This is my breakfast. Oh, these dogs. And I bought a peanut butter pie, Marie Callender's, and I bought a Dutch apple pie. Of course, we had rolls. I even made baked beans. My husband likes baked beans. With ham, so I have to make them. I make them every year, and they're really super good, too. I'm so exhausted. So, I want you to look at here. Look at this. Look who has learned to get up on my table. A little bit. She's jumping up on the little bar stool and jumping up here. So she's going to get in trouble. They don't go over too well when you're cooking. Look at this. Look. Show your face. You're about to see her tail. Alright. This is ridiculous. Here I'm eating with a cat just walking across me. It's alright. It's alright. Come say hi. Not you. Don't lick my hot chocolate. I'll smack your lips. Look. Now, who else pets a cat while they're eating? Yeah, baby. And watch her. She's gonna come over here and try to steal my pancakes. It's a rat race here. I gotta get off here. I gotta finish this. I gotta go change clothes, wash my face. I gotta get some sleep today because if I don't, they won't be getting anything for dinner except peanut butter. So. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do, and give me a thumbs up if you don't. Whoops, what was that? She's a turd. She is. You know I love you guys so very much, and I promise I'm going to try to get on here more. So, I hope you stay warm, stay cozy, and be sure to spread some love. Not hate, spread love. You know I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.